Many of the parents have this doubt when to give cow's milk to a baby, when to start feeding with cow's milk to a baby. Let us see the answer in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, your health related queries and medical explanations are given via videos. If you want to see such videos regularly, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also, press the bell icon adjacent to it to get instant notifications whenever new videos are released. This week's video is regarding when to start cow's milk feeding. First of all, we have to be very clear. For a baby, the best food, the best milk is mother's milk. That is what is universally recommended. So, mother's milk should be given exclusively to all newborns till the age of 6 months without even water except for medicines. Okay. So anything else should not be given. This is called exclusive breastfeeding. This should be continued till 6 months. After that, we should continue mother's milk feeding. We should continue breastfeeding, but we should also start semi-solid food, which is called complementary feeding. Mother's milk feeding can be continued even up to 2 years or even beyond if the mother and the baby desires. So this is regarding mother's milk feeding. So when to start cow's milk or animal milk? So cow's milk or animal milk, especially in the unmodified form, as recommended by the American Academy of Pediatrics and even the European Food Safety Authority, they should not be started before 1 year of age. So unmodified animal milk or cow's milk should not be introduced before 1 year of age. That is the standard recommendation. But in countries like India, in developing countries, you might have reasons to start milk before 1 year of age. Okay, for preparation of food, for mixing of food. Due to unaffordability, for reasons of affordability, WHO and Indian health authorities permit the use of cow's milk before 1 year of age. That is only after 6 months, but before 1 year of age in preparation of food. But even this is not recommended by American Academy of Pediatrics. In very few unfortunate children, either due to mother's unavailability or absence or sometimes rarely even death, child may not have the luxury of mother's milk feeding. Then what to start? Again, the recommendation is not to give unmodified cow's milk. So then what should be given? A formula milk. A formula is basically prepared from cow's milk, to match the baby's needs. Formula is not perfect. It is not as good as mother's milk. But in these unfortunate babies, it is okay to start formula milk. Again, we have to understand in developing countries or in low income countries, the problem with formula milk is affordability. Because of lack of affordability, this formula may be over diluted or may be prepared in an unhygienic environment, leading to risk of infection, poor weight gain, because of that failure to thrive and even deaths happening. So if you can't afford or hygienically prepare formula, then in that instance again WHO permits the use of cow's milk even before 1 year of age. So even in this instance, we have to understand this cow's milk or animal milk should be undiluted. We can't dilute the milk and give. This is an inferior choice compared to mother's milk, but if there is no other option, you can give cow's milk. But if you are affordable and if you have the means to hygienically prepare formula milk, it is still better to give formula milk in under 1 year of age instead of unmodified cow's milk. Again, let me be very clear that mother's milk is the best food for baby and mother's milk should be tried at all costs. So only in exceptional circumstances these recommendations come into play. Okay, the child has attained 1 year of age, we are continuing mother's milk feeding. Can we give cow's milk? Yes, after 1 year of age, you can introduce cow's milk. This is again a permission, not a recommendation. If your baby continues to feed the mother's milk and is happy on complementary foods, other complementary foods, and is gaining weight adequately, it is not necessary that you have to introduce an animal milk after 1 year of age. Even after 1 year of age, when you introduce animal milk, it should be undiluted and it should not be a toned milk or a skimmed milk. Meaning, the fat content should not be reduced because fats are necessary for brain growth. It is not recommended to reduce the fat content of milk for children below 3 years of age. Hopefully, this video would have removed the doubts regarding introduction of animal milk, introduction of cow's milk, and when to introduce it and how to use it. If you like this video, if you found this video useful, kindly share it among your friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos regularly, kindly subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.